Can you switch to the back camera while recording a video note on Instagram? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the correct answer and how this feature works. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, go to your Messages or DM section. At the top, tap on Notes. To start recording a video note, tap on the camera icon. By default, Instagram opens the front selfie camera. But here's an important update. Instagram has limited this feature, and on most devices, you cannot switch to the back camera while recording a video note. This is how the feature currently works after updates. So if you don't see any option to change the camera, don't worry, it's not a bug on your phone. If Instagram adds a back camera option in future updates, I'll show you a screenshot so you can understand how it looks. It may appear as a toggle or double tap feature, but currently it is not widely available. And that's the clear answer about using the back camera for Instagram video notes. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram and iPhone tutorial videos.